given that pi of x is a differentiable function and the solution of the differential equation dy plus y into pi dash of x minus pi of x into pi dash of x dx is equal to. So dividing with the dx on both the sides, we get dy by dx plus y into pi dash of x minus pi of x into pi dash of x is equal to 0, which can also be written dy by dx plus pi dash of x into y is equal to pi of x into pi dash of x, which is in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. So integrating factor is equal to e to the power integral p of x dx, which is equal to e to the power integral, and here p of x is pi dash of x dx, which is equal to e to the power integral of differentiable function will be pi of x e to the power pi of x. And now the general solution y into integrating factor is equal to integral of q of x into integrating factor dx. So we can add y into integrating factor is e to the power pi of x is equal to integral of q of x is pi of x into pi dash of x into e to the power of integral, e to the power of pi of x dx. And now let us assume that e power pi of x into pi dash of x as one function and pi of x is the second function. Let us consider this is first function and this is the second function. So by using the by parts, integral fg is equal to f integral g minus integral of f dash into integral of g. So we can write pi of x into integral of e power pi of x into pi dash of x dx, and again minus integral of differentiation of pi of x is pi dash of x into again integral of e power pi of x into pi dash of x whole dx and again whole dx, which is equal to pi of x into, and here let us substitute or put pi of x is equal to t or e to the power of e to the power pi of x is equal to t. So we get e to the power of pi of x into pi dash of x dx is equal to dt. So we can write integral of dt minus integral of pi dash of x into, and again this integral is same as dt. So integral of dt is nothing but here t we can write. Let us write one more step, which is equal to pi of x into integration of 1 dt is t. T is nothing but e to the power of pi of x minus integral of pi dash of x into integral of 1 dt is t. T is nothing but again e to the power pi of x. So again further we can write pi of x into e power pi of x minus again the same pi dash of x into e power pi of x is same as integral of dt, that is t, that is e power pi of x. That is y into e to the power of pi of x is equal to pi of x into e power pi of x minus e to the power of pi of x plus constant, or y into e to the power pi of x is equal to e power pi of x taken common, and hence we can write pi of x minus 1 plus c into e to the power minus pi of x. So we may cancel here e power pi of x So we can write y is equal to pi of x minus 1 plus c into e to the power of minus pi of x, which is our option A. So option A is the answer.